All right, we worked on this truck today. This is the 86 Kenworth. We're back in the shop finally. Thought we'd update you. Didn't do a whole lot of things today. I'll show you what we did. Just got the suspension singled out, or the rear drives. Got the inners out. Got all the bolts out of the frame, other than the last few that are holding up the suspension brackets. Only broke one inside lug nut, so that was a plus. And I don't have a tool, so I just welded the outside nut to it and buzzed it off, so it seemed to work okay. And like I say, we got pretty much all the bolts out of her. Making a little progress there. And yeah, like I said, it's a couple hours of work. Didn't spend a whole lot of time today, but just need to keep working at it, and I'll try to give you take some footage. I'm new to this camera game, so I'm trying to figure it out, but we'll keep on keeping on. So got to get this thing re-railed. Oh, you got to see the awesome brake trim. You don't see that very often, or at least I never have. It's got like 5 cracks around it. That's premium stopping ability. Good thing it's scrap. All right, a little update on the progress. As you can see, the hood is off. Got the hood bumper off. And we singled it out. Oh, removed the fuel tank. Got the left side fuel tank off, and took a plate off. There was a plate here, if you remember. Get the flashlight where the crack was. Let's see, yeah, right there. And then I don't know if you can make it out there or not. Maybe the light, take the light away, might help. Anyway, that's one of the cracks. There's another one up farther up that we yeah, got that done. So not a whole lot today. Just say I got the hood off, fuel tanks removed. I think tomorrow or next time we shall pull the drive line and the transmission, drain the cooling system, and then we'll probably roll it outside and pull the motor. So then that'll be good, and then steam clean it, and then we'll be ready to pull the frame rails out. There's some more broken stuff. It's got a metal plate. This whole front's been plated, so it ought to be pretty exciting when we get the frame out. If the truck doesn't break in half in the meantime. Let's see what else we got. Got all the drive shafts out. Right here, everything's out. Got to pull the transmission. It's next on the agenda, but I thought I'd clean out this mess in here, and got to get the stick undone. So I figured maybe I'll pull the stick and the seats, get this nasty old carpet out, and that way I can vacuum all the dirt out. All right, we gutted the inside of this thing finally. Man, it's disgusting. I don't know how well you can see this, but there's just dirt upon dirt. And then it has this, I guess this was before they had Dynamat sound deadening. It's like some black, like tar stuff. Anyway, thought I'd make a quick pick of that. I think I'll pull it outside and just pressure wash the inside. I think everything ready to come out. I got to take the motor mounts out. Front and rear motor mounts. The radiator's loose, but tomorrow we'll do that. Pull the motor and get her to the steam. And got the fuel tank off. This side. It's after the wash job. You saw us pull the engine this morning. I spent a couple hours washing it, got the grease off of her, and as you can see, exhaust is gone, battery box, steering box, everything. Got the front axle sitting on blocks. Getting ready. Kept working on it. Probably get one of the frame rails out tomorrow.